Get up, man.
What the hell took you so long? You're waiting here forever.
Just shut up, Chester. Kind of bad day, too.
As I can see, you look like Janet Jackson after she get bushwhacked by Bobby Brown.
Well, he was laughing when you need crack and you've insulted the only good delivery boy in all of Federal Way.
Oh, jeez. I'm sorry.
Man, whatever. That crazy mother Randall came at me with a knife. He was half a furlong from gouging out my eye.
What the hell did you give her?
I don't like thinking about it. It's bad memories. Bad memories. Bring the Italian cuisine. Would I let you down, Randall? I brought the whole piece of pie. There it is. Easy there, big fella.
It was favorite spin.
What? It's a real deal. The hell is this? It's crack.
It's in crack. It's food drugs.
No! Randall, you alright, man? Oh, my eye. No ways to decide. Ow. You are one crazy mother, Randall. One crazy mug.
What's this noise is coming out here concerning my boy? Sons of guns and holy bitches, what the hell have you done to my boy?
I didn't do anything. I found this.
I'm chasing you out of here.
Oh,
and I'm going to knock in your back. You don't want this with this. I'm killing you.
Stay away from me.
I'm killing you times 10. I'm killing you times 10. Boy, you okay? You okay? You need... Put this compact disc on the wound. Put the compact disc on the wound. Boy, I know how to treat the wound. Today, we fight for vengeance. The ones who are lost will not be forgotten, and the ones who are not forgotten will not be lost. You who torment this household will fall. You will fall. Randall's dead. Yeah. The deed has been finished.
Whoops, forgot my crack.
What do you say, boy? You best not be bringing no kind of deal, you sons of guns. Get out! Get out! What's how you say, boy? Got bronchitis?
My boy makes me daggum proud.
I ran as far away from those wild man beasts as I could.
What the hell do you give me?
Enough questions. You want your crack or not?
Damn, yeah, I want my crack. Give me that shizzle.
You're gonna be having this fly.
It's gonna be a white Christmas.
Yeah, well, better get a move on. We gotta go overseas.
Hang on a second. What is this?
It's nothing. I'm late. I gotta go, man.
What is this?
It's crack, man.
What is this shit? Calm down, John, please. What did you call me?
Gentry.
It's right.
Because you're a gentleman.
Damn, yeah, you're a gentleman. Straight up. What the hell is this?
Well, you see, Rico's been running low on supplies lately. And as businessmen, we gotta make cutbacks. I thought a well-mannered gentleman like yourself would understand.
You giving me reject crack?
No, man, it's not reject crack.
Clack. Crack is the black sheep of drugs, brother. It's like the Pizza Hut of narcotics, if you will.
Hey, man, don't diss Pizza Hut. You diss Pizza Hut, you diss me.
Yeah. But what is this stuff?
Well, that is taken from splicing together the genes of a crack tree and high-strength animal steroids to make the ultimate drug. We among the trade call it shack.
Shack. Crack doesn't grow on trees.
Yeah, it does. I plant them all the time. Crack trees here, crack trees there. I'm like little Johnny Crack. We'll see. This will make you trip harder than a crazy lady on an escalator.
This shack is pretty good, actually.
No, what did I tell you?
This shack could score on me any day.
Oh, this shack will score on you any day. And this shack definitely will kill.
What did you say?
Nothing. I gotta get this shack to Moses' house before dinner, or else he's gonna throw a hissy.
You tell that Moses. You tell Moses. You tell Moses. You tell Moses.
Man, take it easy.
Shaq? Do I look like Shaq to you? Does it look like I can dribble a ball or eat a crunch bar?
Well, that's why I brought this drug, so you can be just like your basketball hero.
Basketball hero? Look at his head. It looks like a bowl of soup. Does it look like my head is a bowl of soup?
No, you see that? That's aerodynamics. So his head is like a speeding bowling. That's through defense.
No, I really do.
Moses, what are you doing? Moses! No! Moses, where did you learn those moves? Please calm down now. I don't even know what's going on. Please calm down.
I want Teletubbies! I want Teletubbies!
Alright, man. I'm gonna set the shack down on your desk. And you just get some rest. I'm gonna go now and I'll see you tomorrow.
I want my Teletubby, man. I want him now. Better come back.
What would you do if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song. I will try not to sing out of key. Oh, baby, how you lie? All I need is my brother. I say I'm gonna get high. Oh, yeah. What do I do when my love is away?
Doesn't worry you to be alone.
No, no. How do I feel at the end of the day?
Are you sad 'cause you're on your own?
I tell you, don't get sad no more. Gonna get down and I'm afraid. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Keep on getting high. I need someone to love. All I need is someone. Not just where I'm going, yeah. Somebody knows just where I'm going. Baby, say I'm gonna make it without breath. Oh, I'm gonna keep on trying. I'm gonna keep on trying.
Would you believe in our love at first sight?
I'm certain it happens all the time.
Oh, Beer, what the heck are you doing, man?
Can't take it anymore, man. The shack is fudged up.
Vera,
What?
what are you doing up there?
I'm running away.
Vera, what the tarnation are you doing up there?
The skies are forever green. Go, get away from me. Go.
Where does that noise come from?
I don't have much time, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
So you just walk right down there, or you stay up there, and
I'm
don't come
gonna
down.
jump. I'm gonna.
What? No! No,
I'm not letting this thing get me anymore.
It's been right behind me the whole entire time, and I'm not letting it get near me.
What thing? What are you talking about?
Crack baby, man!
Crack baby who?
I can't run with the Eskimos anymore. I can't run with the wolves.
You're not running with anyone.
Dude, I can't explain it to you. I'll just see you in the next world.
Oh, calm down, man. Whatever you do, don't jump.
I can't think
I'm
straight.
climbing up, okay?
Don't just stay there. I'll meet you down there.
Okay. Just wait, no, what are you talking about?
I gotta jump. I can't take it.
I've been seeing some fucked up stuff to Ben.
I'm stuck, scary. Ah! Ah! I can't see nothing but darkness and light.
Vera, you all right, man? I don't know what's going on, but I think I know who has the answers.
On the couch.
What do you come here for? Something you've been dealing is making everyone go crazy. Rico.
Hush.
Answers come to those who wait. Ain't you learned anything from the Cosby Show?
But Rico, I can't wait. One of our biggest customers just threw himself off the roof of his house and killed himself. I just buried the biggest crack addict in Federal Way. And furthermore, like every other customer is all of a sudden insane and laying the smack down on me when all I'm trying to do is make a little honey honey. And what's with the Buddha, Rico? You're Mexican.
This is Frederico, the Spanish god of prosperity.
Diablo!
Come on. We're having a serious conversation.
Throw the best parties, Rico. Best.
He makes me laugh, that's why I keep him around.
I see. It's no time for laughing for me, though. That shack, I don't know what's in it. I think it's making people go crazy.
You can trust me. I'll tell you that right now.
Yo, so Shaq!
Woman!
Now, it's time to go to the gardens for a mucho meditation.
No, Rico! Hold up! Rico, hold up. I have to know what's in shack.
You can't handle the truth.
What is shack?
If crack is the yin, then shack is certainly the yang.
I'll tell you what shack is.
in this speech. Shaq, my friend, is the beginning and the end, the death of the proletariat and the rebirth of the common petty drug lord. Shaq has the potential to make the smallest countries into vast empires, or it could turn Mother Teresa into O.J. Simpson. As you know, the devastating drought in Canada has brought drastic measures to drug kingpins like me. Without an ample supply of crack, I had to look across the world for the ultimate drug, but there was nothing to be found. The LSD plains of Africa had been raped, and the ecstasy fields of Asia had been sowed because of crack addicts' insatiable crack appetite and the short anger. I had run out the time for crack solution. Me, the crafty supplier that I am, set up sweatshops in small Middle Eastern countries like Tajikistan. There, third world children were forced to work long days crushing flintstones, vitamins, and chalk. This formula is then shipped to Boston Harbor, where the Boston Tea Party is performed every year. There I hired a crew of nomads to steal steroids from the Boston Red Sox and boil it into a special brew, combining it with the Flintstone powder. Even Superman could not resist such a mixture. This is then solidified in a high-tech lab in France and stowed beneath passenger vessels to fare away because it saw a change in consistency and color. I passed it off as a crack hybrid. Unfortunately, I didn't realize the side effects until a week ago, and you yourself have been experiencing them.
Side effects? Vera said something about a crack baby before he threw himself off his roof. And Moses was ranting on about Teletubbies or something.
Teletubbies? How the hell would he know about that?
Yeah, I don't even know what you're talking about.
Telecommunications maybe, but not Teletubbies.
I still don't know what you're talking about, Rico.
That's because you're the worst dealer in the Federal Way. But now, I'm forced to pass on the trade secrets to you, my son. With the heightened security of modern-day American airports, it has become increasingly difficult to smuggle crack shipments. It has become so difficult that I've had to utilize the untouched sources of Teletubby merchandise. Since it ships straight from the UK, it's almost entirely untouched by customs. You see, within each Teletubby is a small amount of crack, the combined weight of all the Teletubby merchandise. Oh, speak of the devil. The combined weight of all the Teletubby merchandise means that we will have a lot of crack. But suddenly, the shipments have stopped coming. I thought it was because of the drought, but now I realize that Moses is nothing more than an insider for Andor.
Andor?
Your breath stinks! Swallow your food and then speak to me.
Andor? You mean Federal Way's other dealer?
That bastard. Moses doesn't know where his loyalties lie. You must know what to do you?
No!
You must kill him! If he believes that new crack shipment has just arrived, he will be so crack deprived that he will immediately schedule an appointment. You will bring him these Teletubbies! For unbeknownst to him, one will have a gun hidden in its bowels!
Ah, gun!
Kill him before he kills you. Go get him, champ.
Go, Tony, go! Faster, Tony, faster! Ow, you're bludgeoning!
Where are you taking me?
No, Andrew, where are you taking me?
Welcome to my world, now! You have an appointment with Moses.
are you doing here?
Oh, Moses. I see you've already gotten the crack shipment.
Crack shipment? Is this a crack shipment to you? I checked. Most of these Teletubbies are empty.
No, there's plenty of crack in them. You just a little here, a little there. You just gotta look hard enough, you know.
I looked, and I saw nothing. I looked in him, and I looked in him. And you know what? I even looked in both the green and the green one with his ears. And you know what I found? Do you? You want to guess? All I found was a gun.
Yeah, I kind of need that back, you know.
What, this flintlock piece of crap?
Yeah, I need that back.
No can do. Toe baby. You know why? 'Cause the fun's just begun. No, just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Hey, toe baby, let's go shoot some hoops. Maybe we can get some caramel after the game.
Stop calling me that!
What's the matter? Toe baby, goo, ga, baby. Want a rattle?
No! Shut up, Shaq! My name isn't Toe Baby! What did you do to me? Why? Why, Moses?
It's just business, Chief. I can't believe it. I just killed Tobanic.
Good job. Now I can finally call your man.
This is crazy.
It's gonna get a lot crazier than this. Here's your victory crack.
Andor, I don't want crack. Huh? I want Shaq. Ever heard of it?
No. Hey, Randall, get your lazy buns down here and clean up this mess. Clean up this dead body and I'll give you some crack. Crack? Give it! Get down here and get rid of that body. I'll never get like that Tobanic character.
What's wrong? What's wrong, baby eater? Where's that two-timing bitch going? Baby eater, where you going? What is it? What's over here? Oh, something stinks. Oh, man, it smells like salad bar. Oh, there's flies everywhere. What the frick? Oh, Oh my God. What the?
Okay, Governor, I understand. I'll be out of the country by tomorrow. Scruff McGruff. There's only one more thing I have to do before I leave, and that is avenge Tobank's death. Behave yourself, Scruffy. Now, run and be free! Next, must avenge Tobank's death.
I thought I told you not to come back here again.
No way, Jose. It's not about that. It's about me putting a bullet in that smug little head of yours.
Moses!
Don't move! Shoot him!
Oh, crap. Get back to my role now, stupid. There he is.
Run out of bullets!
Where is Rico?
It's time for our silly little drug war to end.
It will, Ray Dawn. I have the spirit of a matador. You have the spirit of a transsexual. Matador.
You wouldn't dare hurt a pregnant woman.
Taking too many lives, Andor.
I'm just trying to right your wrongs, Rico. You over here out shack like you died or something. Look what it's done to me.
I don't see nothing but a sorry old man.
Rico, you okay?
That stupid son of a B Andor messed me up.
I don't understand.
We were at a Lakers game a while ago.
around halftime, things got a little crazy, and Andor came to me for a little pick-me-up. So I gave him some of my crack hybrid Shaq.
That's not legit, man.
I'm ashamed of it now. I learned that he was pregnant. I was trying to kill him.
Wait, how does Andor get pregnant?
Andor's a loose lady with loose morals.
I'd say she's been around the block a few times.
I say she's been around the 7 continents a few days.
Who's the father then?
It could be anyone, but for some reason this image of Shaq and Andor 9 months ago keeps coming back in my eyeballs. You've got to stop that baby.
But how?
It's a baby!
That doesn't tell me anything!
Okay. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to stick a knife right inside. Then once it's done bleeding, pull it out.
Wait, I need to get a pen of paper.
Just try and find Moses. And Gentry. Oh wait. Well, I'm dead. But on my tombstone, I wanted to say, that'd be tight, man. And all the man, when girls see it, they'll be like, I wish I dated that guy before he died. You know, man, that's my legacy.
Player to the grave, player to the grave.
Cradle to the grave. Cradle to the grave, Gentry, get right.
Player to the grave. What's up, boy? Oh, whoa, what the? This Lil Crack. Lil Crack, I heard you're back from the underworld. Give me that. Oh my God! Get out of here! Demon! Give me back my daughter! Oh, John, it's just you.
Name's Gentry, bitch.
Oh, yeah. Gentry, you remember that tea set you always wanted?
The one that Rico has?
Yeah. I remember that tea set. He was sipping out of it that one day.
Yeah, with the pink flowers.
Yeah, and you're eyeing it, or you're like a little kid looking at candy. You didn't want to ask, but you were just staring at it. Today's your lucky day. Today's your lucky day. I have reason to believe that Rico is dead. We can have all the crack, Shaq, tea we can get our little hands on.
I already knew that Rico was dead. He told me about Andor's deadly dealings with Shaq. Shit. We gotta stop that bitch before he becomes the new overlord of Federal Way.
I have reason to believe that the two killed each other.
You're bad, Moses. Man!
Oh, I know. I wouldn't have done it if I didn't absolutely gobbleganino need Shaq. You in or out?
I'm in.
Take my hand.
You have such soft, delicate hands.
You have strong hands.
Yeah, with the pink.
You know, the world is on something new. Marie Anderson, my sweetheart. Yes! Yes! Baby, I'm thinking a lot lately. Marie Anderson, will you be my bride? For always and forever. Through sickness and through health. Through grit and through grime. Through nasty death and just plain nasty. Yes! Marie Anderson, I love you, baby. Reveal yourself. Reveal yourself to me. Marie. Oh, Marie. 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 What? Oh, it was just a dream. I'm bored. What should I do now? it's pretty weird.
Oh, what the frick? Ah, jeez. Prepare to die, fool!
Oh!